We celebrated our 25th anniversary, and Vinny Holstang was on the field while Penn recognized us. It's been 29 years of partnership where Mr. Holstang gave of himself to help us with the food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And as such, it's invaluable. Caribbean Foods Delight is celebrating 45 years this year. 45 years. So they're having a major anniversary. And at this time, we're going to invite Ms. Shakira Chin to just say a few words.
We're very thrilled to be a part of 2023 Team Jamaica Bickle and Penny Days. So thank you so very much. Ms. Pat, everyone, thank you everyone for your contributions. Will help the team members, the athletes further themselves, and that's one of the reasons why I actually got involved with Caribbean Food Delight.